So it's Thursday, the 23rd of October 2025, part 4 of grouting, and I'm happy to report back with a sore back. The mosaic has been done and I have grouted all of it. Here's what it looks like now. I am so pleased. I actually enjoyed grouting this time. I'm not a fan of grouting. I don't know. I'm beginning to trust the process. It's only taken me 20 odd years. But what I love about the process is that it brings everything together, does it not? And it makes sense of all the drawing that I can visualise, imagining what it looks like with grout, and now it's come to pass, as it were. Look, I want to show you little Froggy. There's a little Froggy. And those mushrooms are popping. And you know, with that brown grout, it's really making sense of everything in the background. And the extra that we'll get when we install it outside is that all the sparklies will glisten. I've just given it a little bit of washing up liquid and a sponge to clean it all off as well. So it's really, sparkling. You have to see it. You know, films never give the same impression as one would find when we're actually in front of the mosaic. Look at all those iridescents. Oh, so, and little pasty, the Cornish tortoise sitting there. I'm going to do some before and after photos, before grouting and after grouting, to show you the difference as well. I'll do that a little while later. But I thought I'd show you what the video, in video form, what it looks like in real time. So, yeah, I can't take my eyes off it actually. Look at that. The brown grout with all those orangey areas. How lovely. How lovely. And it's all external grade, as you know. And as you know, I put an aluminium frame around it, so I've cleaned that up. That's from Metals for You. So that's a really good company. If you're UK based, I totally recommend. I've got all the information in the description box below. I keep on getting, in fact yesterday I got somebody asking me, what adhesive do you use? It's like, hello. I mean, read the memo, guys. Anyway, so the next plan of action is to clean this messy, grouty floor. So it's Caroline Jerrywalla, Mango Mosaics, over and out. See you soon.